From the second you get an accepted offer to buy a property, the clock is ticking. Whether or not you have inspections, you have a close date on that contract. It could be 2 weeks or it could be 30, 45 days. It doesn't matter. Once you get that contract in your hand, that's when you start marketing. Don't ever market a property you don't have a contract to. Anything could happen. I don't care what the seller says at all. You need to have a signed, executed contract in your hand before you start marketing. And the second you have that contract, you need to be on the phone calling any investors you have. If you don't have any, go to step one. Get the bandit signs out there. Get your phone ringing. Get going. Because every day you don't sell that house is a chance of you losing your earnest money and, more importantly, ruining a relationship with wherever you got that house. I don't care if it's off market, because that off market person has friends and family and a circle of people that might have more leads for you. Or that realtor will never give you a heads up on a property again. So whenever you put a property under contract, the clock starts right away, and make sure you sell it and do what you say you're going to do, because that is going to define you and how far you go in this business. Don't ever give an offer on a property just to get it. Make sure it's an offer that works for you. Some of the best deals you'll do are the ones you don't do. And I can promise you that because I lived through that in experience. So just make sure whatever offer you're giving them, you're confident that you can mark it up and sell it. Or if you have the ability, you can close on it and rehab it yourself. Those are a couple little tips that I want to throw in there. And I think those are valuable nuggets to help you get going in your course. Let's get out there and make some money.